A very good evening. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about nature of organization behavior. The topic why is important and why I have chosen this topic is the basic, like it's a foundation. We can say it is the pillar of the any organization structure. So, what is the nature of organization behavior? So, it affects the employee inside the organization. So, it is a multidisciplinary and applied performance oriented and humanistic field that studies the human behavior within the organization to understand and improve the employee performance and the organizational culture and effectiveness. It uses the insights from the psychology, sociology, and other social science to develop and practice a strategy for managing the people, for fostering the communication, and adopting the change within the total systems and approaches. So, in simple term, we cannot say that the organization nature of the organization is everywhere it is same. It varies and it depends upon the organizational structure. It separates the field of the study and it is a interdisciplinary approach. It is applied in it's a applied science and normative science. So it all focuses on the performance of the organization and the employee behavior. So OB is a study how the individual and group behaves within an organization setting. It examines the impact of organization structure, cultures, and processes on human behavior at work. OB explores various factors influencing behavior such as leadership style, communication, and decision making processes. Team dynamics is one of the most important aspects in the organization's behavior. So, by understanding the OB, organization can enhance the productivity, employee satisfaction, and overall effectiveness. So, key areas of the focus includes the motivating the employee. When employees are get motivated, they make it the job satisfaction. The organization commitment, they involve their commitment into the organization and the employee well-beings. So overall, the psychology of the employee will be understand when we frame the nature of the organization in a well manner. So apart from this, what is the connection between the organization and it is a structure? It is connected, interconnected with the people, technology, social system, and entire organization is a process of building the powerful development of the main focus. That will organization will helps the management to support the sociology, management theories. It provides insights into the why the people behave as they do in the organization, how these behaviors can be managed and improved for the benefit of both individual and organization as a whole. So organization nature of the organization is nothing but it is not only the benefit for the employee but also for the entire organization. It is a main concept is interdisciplinary approach. So it integrates the knowledge and theories from various disciplines such as psychology, sociology, management, understand the human behavior in organization. It draws on psychological principles to analyze the individual behavior and it's a concept to study the group dynamics and it is a explores the organization culture. Systematic study it focus on individual and group. It not only focuses on the only one aspect, it's focus on the different areas where it is important and how it makes the main concept in the individual's development. So OB examines the both individual behavior, like it analyzes the perception, personality, and group dynamics. It explores how these factors influence the productivity, satisfaction, overall organization performance, and it affects it involves the impact of organization structure. So it also focuses on organization culture. OB studies the role of organization culture shaping the employee behavior, values, beliefs, and norms. It examines how the organization values and practices affects the organization commitment, job satisfaction, and employee engagement. These two factors will focuses on the employee may retain in the organization for a long time. So this is a basic about the nature of the organization structure. Thank you.